Amidst the tranquil beauty of nature, there lies a hobby that combines the thrill of exploration with the allure of valuable discovery: gold prospecting. For many, the quest for gold is not just about the monetary reward. It's a journey back to a simpler time, a pursuit that taps into the adventurous spirit that has driven mankind for centuries. Gold prospecting today isn't just for the grizzled prospector of old. It's a hobby that's accessible to anyone. With a few basic tools like a gold pan, sluice box, and perhaps a metal detector, you can start your own expedition. It's a family-friendly activity too. Parents and children alike can enjoy the outdoors, learning about geology, history, and the environment as they search for the precious metal. The technique is as old as the hills, yet it remains unchanged. Swirling your pan in the water, you're following the same steps that led to the great gold rushes of the past. And yes, there's still gold out there. In the streams and rivers where prospectors once staked their claims, flakes and nuggets continue to hide beneath the surface. With patience and persistence, hobbyists can uncover treasures. Some may find only a few small particles, a modest reward for their efforts. Yet others might stumble upon larger nuggets, worth thousands of dollars. The value of gold is perennial, and the market continues to flourish. But ask any prospector, and they'll tell you, the true worth isn't just in the gold. It's in the experience, the fresh air, the challenge, and the excitement of never knowing what the next pan might reveal. So why not grab a pan and see where the adventure takes you? Who knows? You might just strike it rich in more ways than one. Start your gold prospecting adventure today.